Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can create a smart money concepts indicator for the NinjaTrader trading platform just from an image using Xen AI. To do this, I'm going to go ahead and select the task on the left-hand side, which is build an indicator. So we're going to build a new indicator. I'm just going to go to my model, which is GPT 5.6 Luna. Just quickly, we update our models on a monthly basis. And then I'm going to click Upload Reference Image. This will allow me now to select the image. The image that I'm actually going to load in is this one. So it's a smart money concept indicator from another trading platform. And I'm going to load it in from here and click Open. It's in there now. Then what I'm going to do is actually add a little bit of a prompt text. So I'm not going to give it any requirements. I'm just going to use the image, and hopefully the model will actually interpret what it sees in the image, and me telling it it's a smart money concepts indicator, and it will build it for us. If I click Send, what will probably happen, it will actually come up with a prompt builder because it will want you to go through building the prompt because you're given very vague requirements. But for this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to build it directly from the image without any written requirements. That's going to go ahead now and actually build our indicator. Okay, so that's come back with the indicator for the Smart Money Concepts indicator. If you want to look at the code, you can just scroll down all the code that's been generated by Xen AI. And at the bottom here, it tells you the implementation notes and what next step is. For what I'm going to do for the next step is to install it straight into NinjaTrader as an add-on. But first thing we do, if you did click on the download add-on button, it tells you need to run a build check. A build check is to make sure there's no bugs in the code so that when you install it into NinjaTrader, it's going to work out of the box. So I click on the build check button. That's going to go ahead now and check to make sure there's no errors in the code and the indicator will work correctly when we install it. It's come back to say it's build passed, we're ready to go. So the next step now is to download the add-on and install it into NinjaTrader. So to download the add-on, it's very simple. You just click on the download add-on button. As you can see in the browser, it's installed it up here. So we're ready now to install this into NinjaTrader. So what I'll do next is I'll open up NinjaTrader, install this add-on and show you it attached to a chart. Okay, so to install the indicator into NinjaTrader, it's very simple. You just open up the control panel, go to Tools, Import, NinjaScript add-on. This will open up a dialog. You select the file you want to download, and that'll go ahead now and install it straight into NinjaTrader. So the next step, as soon as it's installed and everything's okay, you can then just bring the chart across. So what I'll do is I'll get rid of this window. I'll bring the chart window across, and we can install the indicator directly onto the chart from here, clicking on the indicator icon, and then scrolling down to our Smart Money Concepts indicator we just created. Click Add, and from here, I'm going to do a label offset of 300 and just change the color of this to white, so it shows up more on the chart. Click Apply, and there you go. There's our Smart Money Concepts indicator that Xen AI has created directly from the image without any requirements you're going to put in. Obviously, if you're building indicators in the future, you can build indicators by telling it exactly what you want it to do, and it will do that. But this is just a demonstration to show you how this AI can actually duplicate what it can see on the image onto the chart. Okay, that's it. That's all I wanted to show you today. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks very much.